Do you have lots of non-Steam games on your Steam Deck and do not want to have these boring boxes, and instead you want to have nice vibrant colors and icons like you do in game mode? Well, it's actually very simple, and thanks to our friend over at Game Tech Planet for actually telling us a couple of the ones that we missed on this originally. So let's dive in. First off, you need to switch over to desktop mode from the power menu. And the longest part of this, to be honest, is actually sourcing the images. You'll need them in 3 specific sizes, and I'll link the sizes below, and also add the link to the Microsoft Edge ones here, which make great templates for making the ones that you want if you can't source the images directly, as they have the images here for Steam Deck specifically, even including an animated one, which is really cool. So what you need to do once you've got your 3 images, your icon, a capsule, and a banner image, you want to open up the Steam Deck library, locate the app in your library. Now you do also want to launch this for the first time, just so that it's in your recent history, as that's another image that you need to change. So just launch the app and then close it again so it's in your recent. And then while you're here on this page, right click the background at the top here and say set custom background. Navigate to where you have the files, and then this one you want to pick the banner. And as you'll see, Microsoft has supplied a really nice animated banner for the Steam Deck here, and you can source animated PNGs for this for other games as well. While you're also here, you want to go into the settings and properties and then click the shortcut box up at the top. Again, go and find your image, and for this one you want the icon. And there you go, you can see that that's nice and square and fills in that nicely. And there's 2 other places, especially one for desktop mode and the other for the recent. For this, you want to go to your library and hit home, or just hitting library at the top also does this. You want to scroll down to all games, and you'll notice that there is no capsule here under the all games section. So you want to right click on the icon here and say manage set custom artwork, and for this one you want to pick that capsule image again. Fortunately it remembered the location for this one, so it speeds it up a little bit. So set the capsule and you'll have that nice image there now. And then the last place is if you just scroll back up a little bit to the recent shelf, you'll see that that one still hasn't changed. So we want to right click on this one as well and say manage set custom artwork, and once again pick that capsule image. That's all of the locations. The capsule does look a little bit odd when it's the last game. It's a bit more zoomed in for some reason. But when we switch to game mode, you'll see that that is still the case. But when it's in the not last played, so if you launch another game, like you can see the other games on the right there, once we've launched another game and come back, it goes into the other shelf and the capsule displays perfectly. So there you have it. That's how you fix all of the images. So you can make all those non-Steam games look like they're supposed to be part of your library and get rid of those square boxes. You can see I missed the recent one on the Origin launcher here, so I'll go and fix that. Let us know in the comments below if you've managed to do this and where you have sourced your images from, if others want to share those, or what other areas you'd like us to have a look at in future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.